This is a greenhouse in my backyard. So now it's at night, some neighbors' lights you can see, but pretty dark. I cannot see what's on the ground. So let's turn on the E2D flashlight. You can see that all the vegetables looks pretty much, you can see everything clearly. And if I pointing to the end, this is 20 feet long. I can see everything clear. And usually you don't need this to be that strong. You can just turn the lower setting like this. This is only 5 lumens and this is 20 feet deep. I think that if you just kind of searching around, you still can see what's going on. And the pointing is so good. So now I'm pointing at about like 12 feet away. And let's see. It's very clear. So if you want to kind of looking for something, you can see super clear. And this is a corner of the house. You have to see what's over there. Super clear. And even you go for the lower setting, still you can probably see what's going on. And this is another corner. You can see that so bright. And this is the lower setting. You still kind of get clue what's going on and what's inside. And now I'm on the street, so one light just like this, super strong, and this is the minimum. Minimum you can probably cannot see anything, but I think this is a very good light. No hassle, just one button. Don't like it, push another button again, go to the lower setting. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.